This is a brand new 2022 BMW M4 Competition Coupe xDrive. Yes, this is the fully loaded version in front of you. For those of you who don't know me, I am Samir Umer from BMW Toronto. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, and click on the bell icon for more informative content like this. For those of you who follow me very closely, you might have heard I have moved from sales. I recently was promoted as a business manager, so I'm one of the business managers now. So hence that's why the slight delay in my videos on YouTube, but I'm not gonna make this a very long video. I just wanted to show you this gorgeous car that I'm delivering today from one of my customers we had ordered a couple of months ago. This car just came in, so I'm gonna deliver the car. I'm not gonna do a full virtual delivery video because I've done the M4 virtual delivery video in the past. So if you wanna watch about that, if you wanna know more, then you can watch one of those videos. But I'm just gonna quickly walk around the car, show you this car from inside and out. I'll tell you a little bit about the standard features in a 2022 BMW M4 Competition Coupe xDrive. So standards are remote engine start. You get the forged wheels, 19-inch and 20-inch staggered fitment, black wheels, heated steering wheel, M-Drive, M-Sport differential, sport automatic transmission with pedal shifters, tire pressure monitor system, tire repair kit, adaptive M suspension, alarm system, comfort access, rear view camera, floor mats, auto dimming and folding mirror package, auto dimming interior mirrors, electric front seats with driver memory, rear seat pass-through, lumbar support, storage compartment package, heated front seats, high gloss black trim, M seat belts, ambient lighting, park distance control front and rear, automatic climate control, cruise control, kilometer per hour speedometer, LED headlights, high beam assistant, active protection, driving assistant, active guard front collision warning, luggage compartment emergency unlocking, Sirius XM satellite radio, intelligent emergency call, teleservices, connected drive services, connected package professional, the digital cockpit professional, M Sport seats, high gloss black window surround, anthracite black roof liner, high gloss black exterior contents, cross traffic alert for the rear, collision warning with city braking, lane departure warning, blind spot warning, rear collision prevention, and speed limit info. Now guys, most of the standard features that I've mentioned here, keep in mind, in your country it could vary. This is for Canada market specifically. So even packaging in US could differ a bit. So please refer to your country specific order guide. How this car was packaged, you do have the premium package, which gives you M-Drive Professional, automatic trunk, universal remote control, ventilated seats, galvanic controls, BMW laser headlights, Harman Kardon sound system, BMW drive recorder, parking assistant plus with surround view, BMW head-up display. We further packaged it with the advanced driving assistant package, which gives you the traffic jam assistant and driving assistant professional. This is the individual shadow line headlights on it. So with the blacked out housing, has the carbon fiber interior trim. Paint choice was black sapphire metallic, and the interior is the Silverstone / black merino leather. So the two-tone interior. So I'm gonna walk around the car, show you this car up close. I'm just gonna put my little cheat sheet away. Okay. So let's look at the front again. This is the black sapphire metallic glistening away in the sunlight. You can see how gorgeous the paint is. And this is the black sapphire metallic in the shade. Beautiful wheels, nice and concave, competition style wheels. So I've set up comfort access to unlock when I get close to the car and lock it when I move away. So that's what the car keeps beeping. When I get close to it, it unlocks. When I move away, it locks for you. So sorry about that. But good demonstration of that feature. Obviously, when it's your car, you're not always going to walk close to your car. So you lock it and you walk away. Super nice. I love the styling. Yep, so I'll get a little bit close as well. Okay, so these are the laser headlights, individual shadow line headlights. So with the blackout housing, no chrome inside. Here are the wheels. So the fronts are 275, 35, 19. And the rears 285, 30, 20. Look at that concavity on this. This is just amazing. Beautiful blue M Sport brakes. Let's check out the trunk. Lots of trunk space. Of course, the seats can fold down, which was the pass-through option that I was going through earlier. The car comes with a tire repair kit, so that's the tire repair kit right there. Tons of storage on the sides. Automatic trunk, of course. M4 competition badging. All competitions do get the black badging. There is M4 competition badging on the side vents as well. And M4 competition badge in the front as well. Let's open up the car. Maybe I'll even pop the hood. I know a lot of you guys comment that you want to see what's under the hood. So let me pop the hood. So there you have it. Sorry guys, it's gonna sound a bit louder here because it echoes, but trust me, I'm not slamming the hood that hard. Let's see if I can start the engine from the key. The door is open. Okay, so let's try this. So it looks like I haven't activated that feature from inside, so you have to activate the remote engine start feature for this to work. And this is the gorgeous Silverstone and black leather interior. Look how gorgeous it is. Let me show you the door panel. It's all on the door as well. Beautiful lilac ambient lighting on for now. Harman Kardon sound system. That's your advanced driver assistance package. So, suede Alcantara, leather perforated. have another nice M4 competition right there. M on the steering wheel. This is the M steering wheel with the stitching. M badging on the dead pedal there. M4 competition on the door sill. And these are the M seat belts that I was mentioning earlier. So even if you see behind the seats, there's tons of room. So a lot of room there for rear occupants. Super comfy seats in the back as well. These are not the M carbon bucket seats. These are the standard seats that get ventilated seats as well, hence the perforation on the leather. And you have actually M embossed on the leather for the gear shifter as well. So I'm gonna reclose the hood as it didn't close. I didn't slam it hard enough. So there we go. Yeah, this one customer didn't package the sunroof, so went with the standard carbon fiber roof, and it looks gorgeous. All right, so there you have it. Gorgeous 2022 M4 Coupe competition xDrive. Guys, again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like the video, comment below, and do click on the bell icon for more informative content like this, and I will see you guys on the next one. Just on the side here, I have another car of mine going on very soon. It's a gorgeous 2022 M4 xDrive Cabriolet. My God, this car took a while to arrive due to the delays, but finally it's here right in time for Cabriolet season. Spring has sprung and this car has arrived. So guys, again, please do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon for more informative content, like the video and comment below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.